This is Kiefer, and today we'll be reviewing a visual mnemonic designed to help you recall the functions and cranial exit of the olfactory nerve. We're calling it the olfactory. To begin with, we'll introduce our first character, the Sensei. The Sensei is our reoccurring symbol for sensory information. This should help you recall that the olfactory nerve is a sensory nerve, relaying sensory afferent information from chemoreceptors in the nose to the brain. The olfactory nerve is also referred to as cranial nerve number 1, and to help you remember this, we'll be putting an Employee of the Month sign on the wall with a large number 1. And what are we producing here at the olfactory? You guessed it, cribs and plates. These cribs and plates should serve as a visual cue to help you recall that the cribiform plate is the cranial exit for the olfactory nerve. However, unfortunately, due to budget cuts, today's batch is producing toxic off-gases, as shown by these stink lines and skull and crossbones. We can use these stink lines to help us remember that the olfactory nerve is responsible for transmitting our sense of olfaction, or our sense of smell. This shocking lack of quality is unacceptable for the Sensei, whom immediately hyperactivates the conveyor belt, thrusting the faulty cribs and plates through the exit door. This should serve as an additional reminder that the cribiform plate is the cranial exit for the olfactory nerve. It would seem through the commotion caused on the production line that one of the plates has fallen on the ground and broken into pieces. As you can see, it's no longer producing toxic off-gases. In other words, the broken plate does not smell. This should illustrate that cribiform plate fractures can produce a condition known as anosmia, or the total loss of your sense of smell. This occurs when the bony plate severs olfactory nerve fibers running through it. It's been a lively day on the production line, and it's managed to catch the attention of the plant manager, a hippo in a suit. Now you may think it's pretty odd that a hippo in a suit is managing an olfactory, but we can use this to our benefit, using his hippo head to remind us of the hippocampus, is one of the sites in the cortex that the olfactory nerve relays information to. And why are his eyes dollar signs? Well, probably capitalism, but we can use this to remember another cortical site of olfactory relay, the amygdala. Dollar sign, amygdala. We're hoping you see the connection. Finally, the more observant viewer may have questioned why there's been an empty salad bowl in the lower right-hand corner during this presentation. Well, it's been a tough day on the line, and someone's eaten the Sensei's lunch, but we can use this empty salad bowl to recall that no salad, no thalamus. Get it? Because the olfactory nerve is the only cranial nerve that does not relay information through the thalami. This concludes the information we had planned for the olfactory nerve. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.